How to use OANDA Web Platform. First of all, open your browser and go to trade.oanda.com. Then log in with your OANDA account details. Once you are inside, you will see the main trading dashboard. On the left sidebar, you will find useful tools like technical analysis, news, market pulse, API, preferences, and MT4 access. In the center, you will see our instruments panel where you can browse different currency pairs. Here you can view bid or ask prices, spreads, and quickly add markets to your favorites. To the right, you have the charting section. You can switch between time frames 1 minute to 1 year, add indicators, draw trend lines, or compare multiple instruments. At the bottom, you will see your account summary. This shows your balance, margin, leverage, and open profit and loss. You will also find tabs for trades, orders, positions, and activity where you can track every detail of your trading. To place a trade, simply select a market from the instrument list, click buy or sell, enter your trade size, and confirm. You can also add stop loss and take profit before executing the trade. Now you know how to use the OANDA web platform to place trades, analyze charts, and manage your account. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more trading tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.